Good morning, ladies. This is Kim from the Beauty Biz, and this week my video is about the Lancome Genifique Yeax, and that is a French term for the eyes, of course. But the special thing about the Lancome Genifique Yeax, it is a creamy texture. It is a cream that converts into a gel. That is their new scientific technology, and it just makes it more luscious and more protective, the moisture barrier around your eyes. It is wonderful. It helps your eyes appear more rested, helps you wake up and look more refreshed and younger, and it also helps diminish the appearance of dark circles under your eyes. And ladies, we know Kimmy Poo here, anything that helps me with dark circles is a win in my book. And this is one of those products, which is why I chose to share it with you this week. Now, the main ingredient in the Genifique Yeax is the bifidus extract. And what that does, it helps to strengthen and protect your natural moisture barrier around your eyes that helps them from drying out, which therefore promote wrinkles. And it also is used on a daily basis, morning and night. The skincare routine, always morning and night, and it will help to reduce the appearance of dark circles, make you look younger, wide awake, more refreshed, and this product works so well, you are going to see results in 1 week or less. I promise you. That is my promise from me to you. Now, here are 3 quick demonstrations that I'm going to show you. If you're using it for a quick wake up, you're going to take the Lancome cream on the tip of your finger and you're going to put 3 dots, the inside of your eye, the outside of your eye, and 1 underneath. And you are going to work in small circles all around. Then you're going to come back and do it all over again. That helps with the wide wake up, refreshed kind of look. Now, if you're using it for dark circles, you are going to take the 3 dots as well, but only under your eye. And what you're going to do, you're working from the outside in real tiny circles, from the outside in, under your eye until the product is fully absorbed. Now, the one thing that also helps wake your eyes up and open them up, we call it the U method. And what that's going to do, you are going to take the 3 dots, like I told you before, inside of your eye, outside, and 1 in the middle underneath, and you are going to massage, not in circles, but in a U formation. It's like a sideways U. You're going to massage up, under, over, and you're going back and forth in that U formation. Do that morning and night. In a week's time, you will see a definite difference. And ladies, all the Lancome products that I talk about are on the product showcase on the website. The website itself is a wealth of information, not just about Lancome, but there's other products that I talk about on there, other videos I make on YouTube. The blog, I try to share the best skincare products out there because, honey, you're 50, almost 57, and it's skincare. Okay, you want to look younger, you want to look younger than your age. A good skincare routine will save you a lifetime of worry. Instead of trying to fix it after the fact, we are trying to prevent it before the fact. So if you go to kimsbeautybiz.com, you can go on the website. It has a wealth of information, like I said, not just part of the website that will take you to the Lancome resources. That's their website, their question and answers. They've got a Lancome magazine, all those resources, but part of the Kim's Beauty Biz website that have all my free ebooks, the Who Do You Want to Be Tonight fashion ebook, the Couples Connection ebook, and my Lancome skincare guide that teaches you how to use the Lancome products and which ones you need for dry skin, oily skin, or a combination of both. And not just that, we have a product showcase every week, sometimes every 2 weeks, depending on just how busy I am, but I share with you all the discounts, the offers, how to get free makeup. I mean, just like the last few videos about my Lancome haul, less than $100 I spent and got $300 worth of products. It is no joke. You can literally get free skincare and makeup all year if you know the schedule and you know how to work it. And that's what my free mini masterclass will teach you on the website. All it takes is an email subscription. You get it totally free. It's a 10-minute mini masterclass that will teach you the 4 main cosmetic counters: Lancome, of course, Clinique, Estee Lauder, and Elizabeth Arden, the ones I've worked with the most, and teaches you how to rotate these on a schedule and all the information you need to know to literally get free makeup and skincare all year. And this is no joke. It could not be easier. You just have to know how to work the system. So go on the website, check out the wealth of information I've got there for you, ladies. I'm your online beauty advisor, and I'll take care of you. Thank you, as always. Much love.